Hello guys and gals, this is a simple tutorial on how to use the oil level from my Instructables page. You can locate it at AP Printing. And also the file is posted on Thingiverse if you would like to print it out for yourselves. Now, to use this level, you have to first locate the little bubble inside. Now there it is, right in the center, it's by that Sharpie line. And you have to move the bubble so that the bubble sits in the middle of the Sharpie line. Relatively. Doesn't need to be perfect. Next, you need to put it on your surface. Now you just have to observe and wait. Now we see that the bubble is moving towards the right side of the level. This means that this side is slightly raised. Now if we raise the other side slightly, we'll notice the bubble starts moving that way. And we know that this side, that side over there, is slightly raised because the bubble is moving towards that side. Now this does not work like a traditional level, but it does tell you which side is more raised. Also, it's kind of fun. You could play with the bubble, and it's like a little desk toy or gimmick for your friends or co-workers when they come into your office and they see this neat looking thing. It's kind of a fun project. I hope you guys get to try it out. It's also really customizable with the text and everything, and you could all obviously print it in different colors like white over here. This was my tutorial. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you guys really liked my Instructable. Well, with that said, have a good day guys. Hope you liked the video. Bye-bye.